Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself and my partner. I'm Reza Aknavanga Denrianto and my partner Rista Hernandi Virgianto. We are from School of Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics. I want to present our research about modeling the impact of the land cover change on the temperature parameter in new capital of Indonesia or IKN. The outline today is introduction, research data and tools, method, result and discussion, conclusion, and reference. The first outline, introduction. On 26 August 2019, the President of Indonesia, Insinyur Joko Widodo, officially announced part of the Penajam Pasir Utara city and part of Kutai Kartanegara city in East Borneo as the location for the construction of the new capital city of the Republic of Indonesia. Change in land cover also changed solar heat radiation, surface temperature, and heat storage in urban area by Tan et al. Previous research was conducted by Churselawati et al. In Jakarta by modifying the land use with 4 scenarios that expand the urban area by changing 100% of the vegetation area, then expanding the vegetation area to 48, 95, and 440% the urban area of Jakarta. The result show the change in the addition of vegetation land use will reduce the temperature in areas with high temperature. The research question is how the impact of land cover change on temperature parameter in new capital of Indonesia or IKN. The scope of research is only running with a span of 10 days and modification of land cover with 2 scenarios into urban area of 547% and 1222% of the initial state of land cover in the IKN area. Hope the research can provide consideration for the government of the Republic of Indonesia in carrying out the development of IKN, which has been planned but does not have a significant impact on climate change. The second outlet, research data and tools. Research data, temperature observed data from meteorological station in East Borneo as a temporal verifier and FNL data resolution 0.25 degree. Research tool, WRF ARW version 4.0.1, grade version 2.0.2, and Python. This research use HPC by Lipi, and I say thank you very much. The third outline, methods. First, numerical setup. This is the domain that we asked. Start with parameterization test, where pre-processing system process and real X by using the configuration. The output then processed in WRF X to produce data which will then be verified using bias, correlation, and AMAE. After that, it will get the best parameterization. Running without modification. WRF input data with the best parameterization is not modified. Then, the output will be running on WRF and post-processing to get the output which is without modification or S1. Running with modification. WRF input data with the best parameters is changed with 2 synchronous. Synchronous 1 modified by 547% and synchronous 2 added 1222% of urban by Python. Then the output will be running on WRF and post-processing to get the output with modification or S2 and S3. The fourth outline, result and discussion. Validation of the urban physical parameterization schemes used for parameter of BULK, single layer urban canopy model, BEP, and BEM parameterization schemes. Table above the result value from the calculation of bias, MAE, and correlation surface temperature variable between the output of the model and the observation data. Yellow colored values are the best result. The best bias value is shown in the BULK scheme at the EWS EPT Pranoto Samarinda with a value of means 0.057. The resulting error between observational data and model output result is also very good, where it is solved from the MAE values in all four models at all points with values ranging from 0.93 until 1.33. The small MAE error value is shown in the BULK scheme at the Sepingan Balikpapan Meteorological Station observation. The result correlation between the observation data and the model output is also very good, which is shown by the correlation value at the fourth model at all points with values ranging from 0.75 until 0.87. Table above, the best configuration scheme of the four schemes is the BULK scheme. The BULK scheme is the best scheme in simulating state of surface temperature at 3 points in the area near the prospective National Capital City or EKN. The BULK scheme shows the best bias and correlation values and shows the smallest MAE error values of the four schemes. The panel in the figure above are averaged from Wharf runs at 1 until 11 June 2019 and show at 6 UTC. The original land use is shown in figure Figure B or S2 shows the addition approximately 1 until 2 degrees Celsius in the EKN area with the addition of 547 degrees urban, while figure C or S3 indicates the increase of roughly 2 until 3 degrees Celsius in the EKN area with the addition of 1,222% urban. Change in air temperature also occur in the area or around EKN but not significant. Table above shows the spread of the temperature change that occur at 4 observation points. In the EKN area, there are waves increase in air temperature of approximately 0.83 until 1.77 degrees Celsius. The maximum temperature change occur at 6 UTC with the addition of 1.77 degrees Celsius in S3. Generally, in the EKN area, there will definitely be an increase in temperature in every time, while in the other three stations, Sepingan Meteorology Station, AWS Penajam Pasar Utara, and AWS EPT Pranoto, the temperature increase will only occur in the morning until noon. Reduction in temperature at 3 points occur in the afternoon until early morning. The simulation result for the impact of land use change as we described, proposed in the numerical experimental of the Indonesian Capital City Relocation Plan. The fifth outline conclusion. The study research the impact of land use change proposed in the Indonesian Capital City Relocation Master Plan using numerical experiment with Whorf modeling. 1. The land use change in the EKN area increased the average air temperature in the urban area at S2 and S3 by up to 2 and 3 degrees Celsius respectively. 2. Land use modification by 547 urban or S2 will increase in air temperature of approximately 0.64 and until 1.17 degrees Celsius, while in the S3. Modification by 1,222% urban will increase in air temperature of approximately 1.03 until 1.77 degrees Celsius. 3. Change in air temperature occur in the area around IKN or Sepingan Meteorology Station, AWS Penajam Pasar Utara, and AWS EPT Pranoto, but not significant. The last outline reference, and thank you so much for your attention.